is a word used a lot on TV and the news spot. Courage to finance a movie or build a plan is not the same as the courage to go to work every day, digging in a mine at a job from which you may never come away. Truth is a word these days that's thrown about for money. Some use it in politics for telling the people how they should behave, while others use it on TV as if what they were defiling were funny. Meanwhile, in a hot smoking factory, the truth is something they crave. Honesty has a very long history in the mouths of so many people, from politicians and bankers and lawyers and such. They cry it out in the streets, sing it out in the steeples, for the people who labor and fear for their health that don't mean much. Daring was once considered a virtue, from flying to soulmates. Now daring is an entertainment activity paid for on vacation, mostly a spectator sport these days. Can't tell if it's original with any reliance. Daring still draws attention and gasps for its deadly fascination. Knowledge isn't mentioned as wisdom and smarts. If you have to ask, you don't know, and that's the fact. Now related to money and humor and false starts, it's how they catch you off guard and get you to react. There once was a man from the coast, tricked out a ship set to sea. Of his work and his daring would boast, till the storm took him from his family. There once was a man in the mountains, worked all day in the earth, cracked open a wall and watery fountains brought him back to the world of his birth. Was a farmer in the fields, spreading chemicals he was told were all fine. Though they seemed to increase yields, the produce wasn't nutritious, and from the spraying lost his mind. They were braving